The gut-exercise connection. How your microbiome impacts your fitness habits. Feeling unenthusiastic about your workouts? Are you struggling to find the energy and motivation to hit the gym or go for a run? If so, it could be time to examine the state of your gut health. Did you know that your gut flora is vital to your general health and well-being, including your mood and energy levels? In this video, we'll explore the connection between gut health and exercise motivation and uncover some simple ways to optimize your gut flora for better fitness habits. So let's get started. How gut flora affects exercise motivation. Your gut bacteria are responsible for the production of a variety of neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters play a crucial role in your mood and motivation, with dopamine in particular being known as the feel-good neurotransmitter. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, it can lead to a decrease in the production of these neurotransmitters, potentially leading to feelings of low motivation and even depression. On the other hand, a healthy, diverse gut microbiome can help increase the production of these neurotransmitters, in turn leading to improved mood and motivation. This can be especially beneficial when it comes to exercise, as feeling good and motivated can make it easier to stick to a consistent fitness routine. But that's not all. Your gut health can also affect your exercise performance. Research has shown that a healthy gut microbiome may help improve endurance and recovery during exercise, potentially leading to better results and a more enjoyable workout experience. The gut microbiome can also influence appetite and food cravings, which can in turn affect exercise habits. For example, an imbalance in the gut microbiome has been linked to an increase in cravings for unhealthy foods, which can make it harder to stick to a healthy diet and maintain a consistent exercise program. Role of the gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis, which is the bidirectional communication pathway between the gut and the brain, also takes part in the relationship between gut health and exercise motivation. This is because the gut microbiome can influence brain function and behavior through the gut-brain axis, potentially impacting motivation and mood. The types of bacteria present in the gut microbiome can vary depending on a variety of factors, including diet, stress, and exercise. Impact of exercise on the gut microbiome. Exercise and gut flora have a give and take relationship. It's well known that the gut microbiome plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being, including energy levels and mood. But did you know that exercise can also have an impact on the gut microbiome? Let's see how physical activity affects the balance of bacteria in the gut. Exercise is an important component of overall health and well-being, and it turns out that it can also have a positive impact on the gut microbiome. Regular exercise can lead to changes in the gut microbiome, including an increase in the number of beneficial bacteria. These changes in the gut microbiome may help improve gut health and overall health outcomes. The regular moderate intensity exercise led to an increase in the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut, as well as improvements in gut barrier function and immune function. And high-intensity interval training had a positive impact on the gut microbiome, leading to improved gut health and better overall health outcomes. It's worth noting that the type and intensity of exercise can affect the gut microbiome differently. For example, high-intensity exercise may have a greater impact on the gut microbiome compared to moderate-intensity exercise. Take this into account as well, the types of bacteria that may be impacted by different types of exercise. For example, a study showed that endurance exercise was associated with an increase in the number of Firmicutes bacteria in the gut, while resistance exercise was associated with an increase in the number of Bacteroidetes bacteria. These different types of bacteria have been linked to different health outcomes. The balance between Firmicutes and Bacteroidetes is important. It's important to note that the human gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem, and the types of bacteria present can be influenced by a variety of factors, including diet, lifestyle, and genetics. Please take a minute to like this video and share it with your friends and family if you found it helpful. We appreciate your support and would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Potential for probiotics and prebiotics to improve exercise performance. Incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet may be worth considering if you're looking to improve your exercise performance. Probiotics and prebiotics are live bacteria and non-digestible fibers, respectively, that can help improve the balance of the gut microbiome. But did you know that they may also have a positive impact on exercise performance? Let's take a closer look at the research. while taking a probiotic supplement for 8 weeks improved running performance in recreational runners. It's important to note that they may have the potential to improve exercise performance, possibly by improving gut health and increasing the production of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. Probiotics and prebiotics may also take part in reducing inflammation in the body, which is a common cause of muscle fatigue and poor exercise performance. By reducing inflammation, probiotics and prebiotics may help improve recovery time and overall exercise performance. However, probiotics may also help improve immune function, reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, and improve digestive health. Tips for optimizing your gut flora for better exercise motivation. Now that we've explored the connection between gut health and exercise motivation, let's take a look at some simple ways to optimize your gut microbiome for better fitness habits. Eat a healthy, varied diet. A diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help support a diverse gut microbiome. Additionally, including fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi can help increase the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Incorporate probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that can help improve the balance of the gut microbiome, while prebiotics is non-digestible fibers that help feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Both probiotics and prebiotics can be found in supplement form or certain foods, such as fermented dairy products and certain types of fruits and vegetables. Consider the use of fiber. Increasing your fiber intake can help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Good sources of fiber include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, and it can also help support the gut microbiome. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise has been shown to have a positive impact on the gut microbiome, potentially leading to improved gut health and better overall health outcomes. High-intensity interval training, HIIT in particular, has been shown to have a positive impact on the gut microbiome. By following these tips, you can help optimize your gut microbiome for better exercise motivation and performance. Remember to also pay attention to your overall health and well-being, including getting enough sleep, managing stress, and staying active. With a little effort and some consistent habits, you can improve your gut health and reach your fitness goals. Conclusion. That concludes our video on gut flora and exercise motivation. We hope you've learned something new and are motivated to take steps to optimize your gut health for better fitness habits. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on to get notified of new videos.